Okay, our master program, the name is Interdisciplinary Space Master Program. And you can see because we have the different backgrounds, we also come from the different country. And I think our universities, they want to develop some persons who have the space technologies and also some of the business abilities. So they can open some the startup companies in the Luxembourg. Actually, we have learned a lot of subjects during this program. We have some the space technology classes like the space robotics and the space mission design and also the satellite communication and securities because satellites play a very important role in the space. And we also have some the business class like the space business and economics and also entrepreneurial space finance. We also need to learn some the computer science classes like the computer vision and the space informatics and the machine learning. And at last, we also learn some law and policy. Actually, because I also have a master's degree for the artistic design, so I'm interested in the computer vision. And now I work on a topic to use a neural network to do the cloud removal for the satellite imagery. And because you know the satellite imagery, usually it will covered by the cloud. And if we really need to use it, you should to training the neural network to remove the clouds automatically. That's what I'm very interested in and what I have done now. And in my high school, we have some subjects I think it's the same with all the countries, like some the math, some the language, some the physics. And my favorite subjects actually is like the language because I come from China, so the Chinese, because I'm very good at to write the articles. And I think it can give you a very good feelings to tell the story, to talk all your experience. Then my bachelor's degree is mechanical design. And I also to study this program in China. Actually, we have a lot of women in this program. Usually, one class only have 3 women, and the total people was 40. So we are very small scope in a class. But I think we are no different with others. We do also the technical class. We also do the experiment in the factory, and sometimes we need to disassemble the engine. We need to disassemble the engine and to make it like the original one. So it's a big challenge, but we can do it. Actually, I think it depends on what role you want to play with. For me, I'm more going to focus on the technology areas because I'm interested in here. And I also to talk some about the computer visions, some the particular knowledge. You should very familiar some the knowledge in this area. But also, I also now maybe some kind when I during my study, I some kind to change my mind. Maybe for the space management, you can understand a bit of all the knowledge during the space sectors, but you not to be the professionals. Them, and the most important abilities for you to manage the time and the people and also the community skills will be crucial for you to do this. There are a lot of challenges coming in different directions. I can say it's every day I should meet the challenges because I have the interdisciplinary background. So, which means I'm not the the expert persons in this area, I have some the different experience in the other areas. So I should study hard and also a lot for the different subjects. And also during our study, we also need to switch our roles. When we meet the different subjects, when we meet to different knowledge, and I think it's quite a big challenge for me. There are a lot of news and articles to talk about how the space technologies to change humans' life, why we should spend money on the space, not just spend money on the Earth. Actually, it can infect everyone's life. You can see the mobile phone and also the internet. You can get internet everywhere and mostly everywhere. And also for the Earth observation satellites, it can help to monitor the field, the seas, and the agricultures. And for me, actually, for my understanding, I think the human to do the space explorations is also the exploration for ourselves. If we can know more about what is happening outside our Earth, I think it also means you can learn more about this beautiful blue planet. So it's quite useful for the space industries.